In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go back on Airtable effectively. Whether you've made an error in your Airtable entry or simply want to undo a recent change, this guide will walk you through the process step by step in just 5 minutes. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Airtable website. It's a platform renowned for building next-gen apps, and it's quite user-friendly, which makes it an excellent tool for managing your projects and data. Once you're there, the first thing you need to do is log into your account. If you're not already signed in, look for the sign in button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on that and enter your credentials to access your Airtable dashboard. Upon logging in successfully, you'll be directed to the Airtable home. The home page is your gateway to all the bases you have created or are shared with you. From here you can manage existing projects or start new ones. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with your homepage layout if you're not already accustomed to it. It's designed to be intuitive, so you'll find the navigation quite straightforward. Next, identify the base where you want to make a correction. In Airtable, a base functions similarly to a database. It contains all the tables, views, and records related to a particular project or set of information. Click on the base that contains the record you need to adjust. This will open up the specific base on your screen, displaying all the relevant data. Now, suppose you need to revert a recent change you made within this base. In most software applications, there is a standard shortcut for undoing actions, and Airtable is no exception. Simply use the Ctrl+Z keyboard shortcut if you're using a PC, or Command+Z if you're using a Mac. This handy shortcut will undo the latest action you've taken, allowing you to effectively go back or reverse the undesirable change. Keep in mind that you can perform this action multiple times, stepping back through your previous changes one by one. However, it's important to note that this function, like many other software applications, has a limit to how far back it will allow you to reverse actions. Therefore, if you're working on a critical document, consider implementing additional safeguards like manually saving versions or making incremental backups. In summary, going back on Airtable is as simple as navigating to the base you are working on and using the convenient Ctrl+Z shortcut to undo modifications. It's a straightforward method that can save you time and effort when managing your projects. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, happy organizing on Airtable.